Talo Falava, I'm Arran Rogers and I come from the beautiful islands of Samoa, and I'm passionate about capturing our stories and also learning from our cultures. And this is Young, Gifted and Brown.
I see the value in capturing moments and being able to help our people share their stories. Today, digital storytelling is the way of the world, and elevating our stories of our people, I know will inspire others.
My name's Arran Rogers. I come from the villages of Siusenga, Salemoa and Whangaloa. And I was born and raised here in Samoa. Dance is a big part of storytelling here in Samoa. It's already around you, it's part of the culture. But the spark lit for me when I moved over to Australia, when I joined a special community, Matavai, Pacific Cultural Arts, who teaches various Pacific Island dances in Sydney to the youth that live there, the ones that are looking to connect back to their islands. I was tutored by various Pacific Islands, Fiji, Tonga, Cook Islands, Rapa Nui, but then I also had the opportunity to teach as well, Siva Samoa to the youth. And just to see their pride really got me into wanting to become a dancer, and I've just loved doing it ever since. Dancing is probably like my happiest place to be. It's almost like a spiritual feeling. Being able to touch the life of one person, if I can do that through dance, it shows that our culture will always stay alive through our movements, through our songs. And if I feel this happiness, I want to pass it on to other people as well, what I feel when I dance. 3, 2, 1, and... When I started dancing, I wanted to capture those moments because I was performing and I wanted to have memories. I first started with just a simple camera, a Canon M50, and it was all just so I could learn. I just grabbed it and it was sort of a sink and swim situation. Through the way we dance, I sort of transferred that into the way I film. So if it's like Siva Samoa, a lot of my movements are graceful. And if I'm doing Fijian meke or Tongans, it's a lot more high energy. I sort of think of how I would be dancing in a Fijian meke, and that's how upbeat my cuts would be in my camera angles. So I sort of come up with the concept, direct it myself, film it myself, edit it. What I wanted to capture mostly was our culture, our people. I think it's a cool thing is showing them the end product. I shot this one piece of this man who built a canoe on the side of the seawall, just out of a log that washed up during a cyclone. I was telling him, I'll film the process for you from the beginning. It'll probably take a month. We'll just film everything that you're doing. And then at the end of it, he cried watching it because he's never had that. Someone come and, capture that journey. No one would have even known he does that. You don't have to go far to look for stories. If you just stay in your own backyard and capture what's there, you can make something of that. There's like too much stories in the islands that people haven't yet seen around the world, and I feel like that's my passion. I think our Pacific cultures are a blueprint for the rest of the world to follow.
Our ancestors have been creatively passing on stories for generations, and I feel like I am just a part of the movement of storytellers, continuing our legacy.